Today's episode is 75's reaction to Fred Flintstone's snore gets replaced with number block 63's snore, and this video has been requested by Johnny Wangwell. Enjoy the video.
Hi, 75 here. I'm going to do a reaction of Fred Flintstone's snore gets replaced with number box 63's snore, but this is going to be really hilarious. But anyways, let's get on with the reaction.
Snore it right now.
I can't stop laughing so hard because he blew the palm trees, the curtains in his head while he's sleeping in his sleep. Well, the video ended when number box 63 nearly said spot in her sleep. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 156.